Well, first you have your general anxiety. We're a little worried, like, okay, are the tire warmers on? Do we do this? Do we do that? But then I just try to relax and think about how much fun the race will be. My dad does the mechanical stuff related to the bike. He checks everything. He tries to make sure everything's safety wired, make sure the bolts are good, make sure the tire warmers didn't accidentally get turned off, because you don't want to go on with one hot tire and one cold tire. Two-strokes are like cats. Sometimes they don't always want to do what you ask them to do. So he'll warm it up just to make sure, okay, there's a 99% chance it'll turn on right before they say third call. So 'cause there's been times where they say third call on the bike, it just decides, I don't want to work. We're not here to aspire for the MotoGP. We're just a group of riders here just to go out there and push your limits and see how far you can go before you reach the edge.